Hi. What time is your prayer service tomorrow?
I'm sorry?
What time is your prayer service tomorrow?
This is Church's Chicken, a restaurant.
Yes, I was inquiring about your prayer service tomorrow.
We don't have a prayer service.
Ain't this the church?
No, this is a restaurant.
So, it's no restaurants in the church?
No.
So what time is your prayer service start tomorrow then?
I don't have a prayer service, ma'am. This is a chicken place.
Don't the chicken belong to the church?
No.
Ma'am, who's the pastor?
I'm sorry?
Who's y'all pastor?
We don't have a pastor.
Well, what time does prayer service start? I see church on this thing here.